Hello friends, in this video tutorial, we are going to show you how to convert Excel file to HTML table by using JavaScript. In one of our previous tutorial, we have shown you how to convert HTML table data to Excel sheet by using SheetJS JavaScript library. Now in this video tutorial, we will learn how to convert Excel sheet data into HTML table by using JavaScript, while Excel file upload, and it will display Excel file data on web page in HTML table. Now let's start discussing this topic. So this is our index page, and under this we have import bootstrap style sheet library and sheet JavaScript library. We will use this JavaScript library for display Excel file data on web page. Under this file, we have write input type is equal to file, and ID is equal to Excel file, so here we have create one file tag, for select file Excel file from computer. Below this, we have create one division tag, with ID is equal to Excel data, so under this tag, we will display Excel file data, by using JavaScript. Now we have go to JavaScript code part, and here we have write Excel file variable is equal to document.getElement by ID method, and under this, we have write Excel file, so here we have store file tag property, under this Excel file variable. After this, we have write Excel file.addEventListener method, with two argument. In first argument, we have write change, and in second argument, we have write callback function, so when we have select file, then it will execute if block of code. Under this block, we have write reader variable is equal to new file reader object, here it will read the file using file reader object. After this, we want to create array buffer from selected Excel file, so here we have write reader.read as array buffer method, and under this, we have write event.target.files 0 index. Now we have write reader.onload event, with callback function, so when it starts read Excel file, then it will execute this function. If selected file content type of Excel file is octet stream, then we need to convert file reader to unit 8 array. So here we have write data variable is equal to new unit 8 array object, and under this, we have pass file reader result into unit 8 array constructor. After convert data into array, now we want to pass this array in sheet JavaScript read method, so here we have write workbook variable is equal to xlsx.read method. And under this method, in first argument, we have write data variable, and in second option argument, we have type key with array variable. So this code will imported selected Excel file as sheet JavaScript workbook object. After this, we want to get selected Excel file all sheet name, so here we have write sheet name variable is equal to workbook variable.sheet names variable. After getting Excel file all sheet name, now we want to get first sheet data in JSON format, so here we have write sheet data variable is equal to xlsx.utils.sheet to JSON method. Under this method, in first argument, we have write workbook variable dot sheets variable, with sheet name 0 index, and in second option argument, we have write header with 1. So this code will convert selected Excel file first data, with table header, and store in sheet data variable. This method will return data in rows and column format. Below this, we have write if statement, and under condition, we have write sheet data dot length value is greater than 0. If this condition true, then it will execute if block of code. Under this block, we have write table output variable is equal to open table tag HTML code. Now we want to fetch Excel row data one by one, so here we have write for loop, and under condition, we have write row variable is equal to 0, row variable value is less than value of sheet.length, and row variable value increment by 1. Under this loop, we have write table output variable, and here we have append HTML code like open table row tag. Now we want to fetch single row column data, so here we have write for loop, and under condition, we have write cell variable value is equal to 0, cell variable value is less than the value of sheet data row index.length, and cell variable value increment by 1. Under this loop, we have write table output variable, and under this variable we have append HTML code like open and close table data tag. And between this tag, we have write sheet data with row variable and cell variable index. So this code will print single row table column data, and on every loop, it will print all row and column data. So here we have store all Excel file data in HTML table format in table output variable. Now we want to display Excel file data on web page. So here we have write document.getElementById method, and under this, we have write division tag id Excel data with inner HTML is equal to table output. So it will display selected Excel file data on web page in HTML table format. So here our code is ready. Now we have check output in browser. Friends, here we can see that when page load in browser, then on web page we can see file tag on web page for select Excel file from local computer. This is Excel sheet. Now we want to load this Excel data on browser in HTML table format. Now we want to check selected Excel file data has been loaded in browser in HTML table format. So we have select Excel file from local computer. After selecting Excel file from local computer, now we can see that Excel file data has been displayed on web page in HTML table format. So in this tutorial, we have seen reading an Excel sheet data and displaying Excel data on web page in HTML table format. Lastly, from this tutorial, we have learned how to read Excel file from client side and display Excel file data display on web page in HTML table by using Sheet JavaScript library. Additionally, if you have any query or inputs regarding this tutorial, you can ask your query in comment box. If you have liked this video, please share with your friends, or even you can also share on social media also. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe our channel for future video tutorial.